Well, today is really a great day, especially over the next several hours before a storm threat later on this evening. It's all from this sprawling low pressure still positioned where it was yesterday up to our northwest. Today, though, the severe weather threat is not centered over our area. It's centered downstate, where a significant 4 out of 5 risk of severe storms, including big tornadoes, is in effect this afternoon. Back here at home, we have a slimmer 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5 risk, highest southeast of Chicago. It looks like we'll get a few reports of wind damage, maybe some large hail. This is most likely, I think, in northwest Indiana between about 5 and 7 p.m. It will not look like this, though, when we had hundreds of high wind and tree damage reports yesterday. Today will be a more isolated threat, and again, mainly southeast of the city. Here we go on the Futurecast over the next several hours. Warm south winds pushing us up close to 90 in some areas. Not expecting any storms on the radar until closer to 5 o'clock. That's when a few strong to severe storms could race our way into Kankakee, Newton, and Jasper counties. 6, 7 p.m. We may get some gusty winds on the periphery of them around the start of the Beyonce show and your dinner plans in Chicago. LaPorte County, you guys may be under the gun until about 7 o'clock, but after 7, that's about all I see. The rest of the evening will be cooler, breezy, and dry for your late night plans. The other problem we have to contend with, not only a few strong storms this evening, but fire danger this afternoon. It's 82 right now at O'Hare. Look at all that vegetation springing up. Humidity is low. The winds are strong. And as wind gusts on our model here get to 40, 45, even maybe 50 miles an hour, we have a wind advisory in effect from 3 p.m. to midnight. And even though some of us got some rain yesterday out west where things are drier, we have strong winds and low humidity, we do have basically a fire weather warning. It's called a red flag warning. Any accidental sparks from farm equipment, chains behind your truck will start a dangerous situation quickly. So let's be careful. Today, 87, warm and windy with a few storms late. Overnight tonight, we're down in the 50s, cloudy and breezy. After a weather alert today, much cooler and breezy, pleasant for your weekend plans. Next week, though, 1.5 inches of rain possible, mainly falling on Tuesday.